destination to Black-owned spirits.
It is day 6 of VEDA.
And we're coming live from the beautiful city of New Orleans.
heard me?
I'm saying that like you know what I mean, guys. But listen, y'all, this is so dope. So we at the, what's the name of this hotel, baby?
It is Thorpador. I can't say it. Wait, I gotta get the Thorpador. Anyway,
it's downtown. It's
by
French
Hilton,
Quarter
okay?
by Hilton.
Yeah,
y'all see the video, don't
Yes,
try.
that's the word.
And so we know we gotta do VEDA, but we out of town. And so we're trying to figure out how do we vlog these videos out of town. The hotel room didn't have like, this hotel has a big lobby and they have a bar. They have a bar. Y'all see all this? Lounge area, and they have a full bar. They're closed. We came down here, the bartender said, you know, and her New Orleans boy, baby, you can have the bar, baby. We closed, baby. You can have she turned her lights on, y'all. We have the bar area to ourselves. We got our little section though. Like she ain't give us no free liquor. We got our section.
she ain't say y'all want me to make y'all a drink real fast.
Right,
like
but we got the whole bar, y'all. This is so inspiring, y'all. It feels like we own a club. Maybe it's a sign, because me and me did say that we had a vision that we're gonna open up like the Black Cheers, like a bar. We didn't give too many ideas, but this is like, it's real. Oh my God, this is speaking everything to existence. Y'all better start listening to God, man. He put them dogs in the vision, because we have the bar, y'all. There's no one here. And she turned her light on, and we're here doing day 6 of VEDA, another Black-owned spirit. Y'all, we doing 31 days, 31 cocktails using Black-owned spirits. Thank y'all so much for everyone who's been rocking with us, cooking. Was it cooking with Nail, cooking by Nail?
Net.
You got Net, social couplepreneur. You got Etta, the Griffins, Kayla Mar, Catchment. Everybody, y'all been rocking with us so heavy for the past, you know, 5 days. All right, so now is me turn. Today is day 6. Me tell everybody what you gonna be making.
I would be making a whiskey sour.
Spice whiskey sour. Using what brand mean?
Oh. My girl, TK. TK, look, girl, it's your day. You know I gotta rep for my ladies. So
yeah, we did a video on our flagship channel, me and I. We did a video. We're gonna have TK on this channel as well, hopefully soon. Red Hazel, baby, is a spice whiskey. It's like a better Fireball.
Oh yeah.
But it's really, really good.
It's a gourmet Fireball.
TK, the owner, is super dope. It's a family business, her and her brother. Shout out to Mr. Burton, I think is the last name. So, but we're gonna talk about them later. But we're using their products today. So today we're gonna be making a spice whiskey sour.
All the way in New Orleans.
We brought y'all with us on a road trip, y'all. Road trip time. But let's stop talking. Let's get to a whiskey sour. Hold on, before we get into the taste test, baby, look at them glasses, y'all. So if y'all watch Cocoa Tea pop-up shop, y'all seen the big announcement from Keeping Up with the Griffins, guys. We was one probably the earlier people to have our own custom.
We didn't even know what was loading.
So these are custom glasses made by Joe and Chrissy, guys. So when we say we stand by and we support them, we support them. These are our whiskey, custom made by Keeping Up with the Griffins for our anniversary. Shout out to Joe and Chrissy. So we figured, since we're doing VEDA and we in New Orleans, we about to do a video away from home. Why not represent the brand. So shout out to keeping up with the Griffins. All right, back to you. Back to your review. Taste that thing, man.
Taste that thing.
Baby, everybody keep asking you, say you sipping these, baby, in these cups, baby. Sip that thing.
Look, this, let me tell y'all something about spice whiskey is very different. Not spice whiskey.
This right is spice
yeah,
whiskey.
Yeah, spice whiskey. Let me be the commercial. Let me be this
talk
right
your shit, baby.
here
Talk your shit.
mixed with this, like a mixed drink. Oh my God. Like TK, you have to say me did that, cause baby, you have to try. This is so good. Come on, come and try it.
Let me take that thing.
You think I'm lying? Try it.
Woo. Let me tell y'all right now. In the words of DM, this a whole buck. It's whiskey. It's spice whiskey. So you can taste the cinnamon, but the cinnamon offsets the bitterness from the lemon. But then you can also taste that sweetness from the simple syrup. Oh my God, y'all. This is so, in the words of my beautiful wife, sweet, smooth, and savory. Man.
Like for real, y'all. That'd be the problem. It seems like I take small sips, but most of the time it's the straw. It's the straw.
Y'all got to make y'all whiskey sour. Y'all gotta find y'all some red hazel. If you can't find red hazel, use any black-owned whiskey. You got Bro Brothers, you got Uncle Nearest, you got Whiskey Right, you got Greenwood. There's a lot of original urban. That's a lot of big brands we're gonna talk about within the next Den of Thieves that we're gonna be talking about over the next 31 days, guys. But red hazel, y'all, want to tell y'all, this is a must-have in your house. If you like Fireball, this is a sweeter, better Fireball. Black, put the thing over me, baby. Black option. We told y'all.
Hey, let me
this is what this thing's about. But, go talk your shit, baby. Talk
no,
your shit.
I'm direct this off of how I did the camera. You messing up my footage.
Okay. Okay, back to me. Y'all, we gotta hurry wrap this video, y'all.
Right.
Black options, y'all. You don't need Fireball. You got black ball.
Now watch this. Hold on.
I would say you don't need Fireball, you got black ball. But look, you got red hazel right here, y'all. This is what this is challenge. This is what the beauty, y'all. This is what we want to bring to the YouTube table. Y'all love me now. We know this already. But this is something different, y'all. Sipping with me now should be a game changer because there's not too many people out here showing you black option. No more Fireball. You got red hazel. No more Tito. We got King 79. You got Fiore, y'all. That's black option. No more Jack Daniels. We got Uncle Nearest and we got Greenwood. And we got all these other Den of Thieves and Risky White. We got other vodkas. You got 7-6. There's so many black options out there, guys. But red hazel, you gotta fire one. We'll talk about this later. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope y'all like that recipe.
No, we hope you love that recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Please, y'all, we on the road to 200 subscribers. We're almost there, y'all. Y'all, we trying to grow this thing organically. We ain't trying to have, we got 30, we just hit 300 subscribers on Meet Now. Can y'all please move over here? Can y'all please pack y'all and come over to Meet Now?
No, y'all stay in both
Stay over there, but
okay?
still, just come over there. Come on over to Meet Now and sit with Meet Now, guys. If y'all love us over there, you can love us over here. But we almost to 200 subscribers, guys. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us.
We appreciate you.
Y'all make sure y'all hit the notification bell, that bing, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content, guys. Turn that notification bell on all so you can stay alerted whenever we drop a new joint. Tomorrow, we'll be making a video tomorrow for Monday. Monday will be my mother's birthday, so we'll be dropping a special video on that. Me, tell me the Instagram page, baby.
It is Sippin with Me and I. Again, Sippin with Me and I. But
and baby,
all social media platforms.
all of them. Every last one. Me, tell me the website, baby.
It is It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com. We make everything.
Yeah, we got a little custom joints, y'all. It's my mama's birthday. We got the birthday crew shirts. We got the God First. We got the Dope in Real Life, Family in Real Life. We got all type of joints, y'all. The Sippin' with Me Now cup. Pretty soon we're gonna have some Sippin' with Me Now shot glasses and hopefully some whiskey glasses, guys, so y'all can check those out soon, guys. And that's it. We love y'all so much, man. Thank y'all so much again for everyone who's been rocking with us. Again, cooking with Mete and the Logans and the Catrins and the Griffins.
I love how y'all are giving us ideas. Cause it's
Dan been coming in lately. Who was your favorite couple has been coming in? How's the ex? How's the ex? Leo, y'all. How's the ex?
You know, Leo Page and How's the Ex?
Yeah, they been in there. Who else been coming there? Etta been in there and showing a lot of love on this new channel. And then Lasha, I said Kay Lamar. I said your favorite couple. The Griffins. Oh, social couplepreneur. Natural Larisha, Edna's World. So there's a few of y'all been coming here. Yeah, guys. So we appreciate the love over here, guys. Y'all make sure y'all share this out. Tell people else who's over here that we over here, guys. And that's it. We love y'all. We in beautiful New Orleans. You heard me. We in New Orleans, baby. So we'll see y'all again for day 7. Today is day 6, right? This is day 6. Day 6. All right. We love y'all. We out.